Welcome back to my channel. Bago tayo magsimula, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Good day kids, so welcome again to our new video lesson entitled Problem Solving Involving Percentage, Base, and Rate. Before we proceed, you need to learn first on how to find percentage, base, and rate. The percentage, base, and rate video lesson is in the description below. So let us proceed. A baseball pitcher won 70% of the games he pitched. If he pitched 30 ball games, how many games did he win? To be able to solve this problem, we need to identify first the missing term. So what is the base? Since the problem says he pitched 30 ball games, so there are 30 ball games. This will be our base. So since 70% has the percent sign, automatically this will be the rate. So the one missing here is the percentage. Step 2 is to write the formula. The formula will be P is equals to R times B. Substitute the given. 70% times 30. Step 3, change percent to decimal. Drop the percent sign and put a decimal point. Then move the decimal point twice to the left. 1, 2. We now have 0.70 times 30. Then let us multiply. 30 times 0.70. And since 0.70 is a decimal, we need to put decimal point in the sum. And to know where are we going to put the decimal point, count the number of decimal places from the decimal. 1, 2. And there are 2 decimal places, so let us count 2 decimal places from the last digit of 2100. 1, 2. So the decimal point will be between 1 and 0. Since the 2 zeros no longer has value, we can now simply erase them. So the final answer is 21. P is equals to 21. Therefore, a baseball pitcher won 21 out of 30 games. Let us have another example. In the delivery of 750 cell phones to Mrs. Reyes' gadget store, 75 were found to be defective. What percent of the delivered cell phones were defective? Let us identify the missing term. Since we all knew that the total number of delivered cell phones is 750, therefore, this is our base. And out of 750, there are 75 found to be defective. So this will be our percentage. So the missing here is the rate because there are no number with percent sign. So let us now write the formula. R is equals to P divided by B. Substitute the given. 75 divided by 750. Let's divide. Since 75 is less than 750, we need to put a decimal point and a 0 to be able to proceed in dividing these two numbers. So we now have 750 divided by 750, and that is equals to 1. 1 times 750 is 750. Subtract. This will be 0. So therefore, we have 0.1. But we are looking for the rate. So we need to change this into percent by simply moving the decimal point twice to the right. 1, 2. Since we have a space in between decimal point and 1, we need to add 0 and remove the decimal point and change it to percent. So the final answer is 10%. Therefore, 10% of cell phones were found defective. Another example, in a school, 25% of the teachers teach mathematics and science. If there are 16 mathematics and science teachers, how many teachers are there in the school? Step 1. Identify the missing term. The rate will automatically be 25% because this is the number that has the percent sign. We are looking for the total number of teachers. So therefore, 16 is the percentage, and the total number of teachers or the base is missing. Let us now write the formula. Since the base is missing, the formula will be P divided by R. P is 16 divided by R, 25%. Step 3, change percent to decimal. Drop the percent sign and put a decimal point and move it twice to the left. 1, 2. We now have 0.25. Let us divide. 16 divided by 0.25. We cannot divide if the divisor is in decimal form. We need to change it first to a whole number by simply moving the decimal point to the end. So in order to do that, we need to move it twice. 1, 2. So 25 now is a whole number, and since we move 2 decimal places from the divisor, we need to do that also in the dividend part. So 1, 2. Since there are 2 spaces, we need to add zeros. So this will be 1,600 divided by 25. 160 divided by 25 is 6. 6 times 25 is 150. 160 minus 150 is 10. Bring down 0. 100 divided by 25 is 4. 4 times 25 is 100. 100 minus 100 is 0. So B is equals to 64. Therefore, there are 64 teachers in the school. Again, thank you for watching our video lesson. I hope you learn a lot. See you again in the next video lesson. Bye-bye.